Welcome to Octatalks, the corner of the web where curiosity meets insight. If you're hungry for knowledge, intriguing conversations, and fresh perspectives, you're in the right place. Dive in with us as we unravel the world one talk at a time. Let's begin. Today, we're diving into the heart of generative AI, a technology that uses algorithms to produce content, from art and music to text and even software code. We're not talking about the future. This is our reality now. Imagine a world where machines can paint like Picasso, write songs like Lennon, and craft stories like Rowling. Sounds like science fiction? It's not. This is the power of generative AI. In the simplest terms, it's where computers learn to create content that feels incredibly human. Diving deeper, generative AI uses algorithms to produce a vast array of content, from artwork and melodies to text and even software code. It's a revolutionary blend of artificial creativity and computation, and it's shaping our world right now. Let's step back in time to truly grasp generative AI's power. In AI's early days, computers followed strict rules. Think of it as teaching a child using only yes or no. But as technology advanced, AI began learning from vast amounts of data, much like a child learns by observing the world. Large language models are the behemoths behind the wonders of generative AI. With billions of parameters, they can generate human-like text, answer queries, and even create entirely new concepts. But their strength, their creativity, is also a challenge. Today, generative AI dazzles us with its creations. Ever seen a video of a celebrity saying something they never did? That's a deepfake, crafted by generative AI. And the song you heard on the radio? It might have been composed by an AI, with melodies and harmonies no human had dreamt of. And those impressive articles online? Some of them are now penned by AI models, bridging human thought with machine precision. Now, how does this magic happen? At the heart of generative AI is something called a neural network, inspired by our brain structure. Just like teaching a child, these networks learn by example. Show it 1,000 pictures of a cat, and soon, it starts recognizing and even creating what a cat looks like. This is a vast oversimplification, but the essence is that through repeated learning, AI can generate. The promise of generative AI is enormous. It can drive efficiencies, open new creative frontiers, and process data like never before. But it's not without challenges. The very creativity that amazes us also makes AI unpredictable. There are ethical concerns too. Deepfakes can spread misinformation, and AI-generated content blurs the line between human and machine creation. Moreover, as AI generates more, we must ask, who owns this content? Large language models require extensive training. From adhering to brand voice to ensuring consistent accuracy, the nuances demand a new kind of orchestration, a blend of human intuition and AI's vast data processing. As we tread deeper into the realm of artificial intelligence, generative AI emerges as both a marvel and a challenge. Let's explore the ethics surrounding this technology. Generative AI ethics touches upon the core principles that guide the development and deployment of this technology. From consumer data privacy to ensuring environmentally conscious AI model usage, the spectrum is broad and multifaceted. Globally, we observe evolving stances on generative AI regulation. The European Union is pioneering efforts to shape its governance, with nations like the US and the UK not far behind, signaling the imminent need for legal frameworks. Generative AI, for all its promise, isn't without its pitfalls. Copyright infringements, potential data theft, and violations of privacy are pressing concerns. Unpredictably, generative AI can occasionally produce outputs that are offensive, inappropriate, or even entirely detached from their training, leading to what is termed as hallucinations. The ramifications of such outputs can range from misinformation to reinforcing biases. The environmental dimension of generative AI cannot be overlooked. The energy consumed during their operation phases, especially during training, raises crucial sustainability questions. Generative AI ethics go beyond just protocols. It's a commitment to a technological ecosystem that promotes individual rights, inclusivity, and environmental stewardship. Navigating this requires a multifaceted approach. From training employees on responsible AI use and implementing robust data security measures to transparent communication and fact-checking AI responses, the road to ethical AI is one of vigilance and continuous learning. Looking ahead, the horizon for generative AI is expansive. Imagine personalized books generated based on your preferences or AI collaborating with humans in music and arts, creating a fusion never seen before. In healthcare, it might craft personalized therapies. But as with all technology, its path will be shaped by both its potential and the ethical choices we make. The term generative suggests creating from scratch, but the real value might be in transformation. Bridging AI's creativity with structured, human knowledge can yield powerful results. Maybe it's time to view this AI as transformative, reshaping existing knowledge in novel ways. One fear surrounding generative AI is the potential to automate everything, making human intervention obsolete. However, the reality is more symbiotic. Generative AI is a productivity booster. It enhances human efficiency, empowering us to achieve more and better. Success with generative AI rests on intentionality. Start with a clear strategy, evolve with incremental testing, and constantly measure performance. It is vital to discern which problems truly benefit from an AI touch. Generative AI isn't just a technological marvel. It's a shift in how we perceive and harness the blend of creativity and computation. As we stand at this juncture, the horizon is filled with innovation, challenges, and an expansive realm of possibilities. We've delved into the fascinating world of generative AI, but now, we turn the spotlight on you. What do you think? How do you see generative AI impacting your world? What excites or concerns you the most? Share your thoughts, experiences, and visions in the comments below. Thank you for joining us today on Okta Talks. If you found this deep dive into generative AI enlightening, give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments. Remember to subscribe for more insightful content, and as always, keep exploring and keep learning. Until next time.